If you're looking for the perfect electric rechargeable salt and pepper grinder set, then I think this set, which I got from the seller to show you, is one of the top choices, at least for me. It works absolutely awesome, and it does not only work awesome, it's also super beautiful. Has a super sturdy build, comes with a modern USB-C port, and when we push or charge it just a little bit, then we can see the charge indicator, even a digital one, which is super helpful. All the sets which I've been using till now didn't come with this charge indicator, so great plus here. Also easy to see how much salt or pepper is left. Also super easy to open. We just give it a twist here and then we can remove the lid. Comes with this large opening, easy to fill. After that, easy to align, and with a twist fully lock, and we are ready to go. And really super easy to use with just a button press here. And underneath, both grinders have even an included light. You can see that here. Definitely helpful, and actually not only here but also here inside. And so even when we use it in the dark, we can see how much is left and how much is coming out. They are built from really nice, beautiful stainless steel. And what we also have here, that's absolutely amazing, that's this grinding coarseness adjustability here. Super easy from the side, so we don't have to deal with difficult to adjust screws or something else from underneath. We can just hold it here, and here you have also the indicator, so we can just hold it and adjust the coarseness like that. Absolutely amazing. Yeah, it doesn't get easier than that. I've tested this set when cooking dinner yesterday. It has been working absolutely flawless. By the way, the set comes even with this USB-A to USB-C charging cable, and even with this cleaning brush. Yeah, I've really checked everything, couldn't find any disadvantages, so I absolutely love it. Definitely my best set. I've never had anything close to this one here. And so if you're also interested, you can find the link down in the description of the video, so you can check it out and order a set for you if you like. And so I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this set, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.